check out this cool lighthouse we found.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's the Barcelona Lighthouse on Lake Eerie.
This is what they call a lighthouse. People live here so they can light the light. What color star do you want, Banjo? Alright, do you know where Brooksville is? Right there, where it says Brooksville. There we are.
You want to try some drink? The stairs for. Why it has 2 doors?
They used to light up the lake. This is where they lived.
That's to help preserve the lighthouse.
Why didn't he tell us for a lighthouse?
It helps preserve it.
Oh, thank you very much.
Dad, we checked out the shores of Lake Eerie.
There's your flip-flop, Banjo. Go.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. They make a lot of grapes and wine here. And Pennsylvania. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 Next, we checked out new River Gorge National Park.
Alright, there we go. And now it says you've been to National River Gorge. Here, Adrian, go. Alright, good job, Adrian. That goes back in there. What do you see?
The water. Let the camera see.
And your birdie?
Yeah, that's me.
No, you're a birdie.
No.
Where? Call him. Call him. Call him. Where's the birdies?
Yeah, right here.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you
Western Hemisphere's longest arc bridge.
come let me hold you now.
It was donated to National Park in 2013. Sunset going down the mountain. Yeah, that's the cloud. You feel it? Nice and cold.
We in the cloud. Can you touch them?
Hang out the window. Feel it?
I wanna stay here with you.
Daddy's trying to set up the Yoda to the cloud. That didn't work too well, now did it? Small girl, big world, let's travel it. I'm the Banjoe Traveler. Follow us on all adventures by subscribing to the channel. See you out there.